Welcome back to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. In this episode, we'll continue our guide to keeping your ride rolling smoothly by completing the wheel hub replacement process. Professional replacement process. For those who prefer to leave it to the experts, a professional wheel hub assembly replacement offers a hassle-free solution with guaranteed results. Here's what you can expect from a professional service. Expertise and equipment. Trained mechanics have the expertise to handle intricate car parts like wheel hub assemblies with precision. They have access to specialized tools and equipment to ensure a seamless replacement process. Benefits of professional service. Professional technicians can diagnose any underlying issues, offer recommendations based on their assessment, and provide a warranty on the replacement. This level of service is beneficial for complex car components that require professional attention. Whether you choose to replace your wheel hub assembly yourself or opt for professional assistance, safety should always be a top priority. Evaluate your skills, comfort level, and the complexity of the task before deciding which route to take. Remember that proper installation is crucial for the safety and performance of your vehicle. Choosing the right wheel hub assembly. Understanding the differences between OEM and aftermarket wheel hub assemblies is crucial when selecting the right one for your vehicle. OEM parts, made by the vehicle manufacturer, typically offer a higher level of quality assurance but come with a heftier price tag. Aftermarket parts, on the other hand, are produced by third-party manufacturers and can vary in quality and performance. OEM versus aftermarket parts. When choosing between OEM and aftermarket wheel hub assemblies, several factors come into play. OEM parts often come with a warranty that guarantees quality and compatibility, giving peace of mind to the buyer. However, aftermarket parts can be more affordable and offer a wider range of options to suit different budgets and needs. Considering the cost, warranty, and performance expectations can help you make an informed decision. While OEM parts may be the safest bet for those seeking reliability, aftermarket options can provide cost-effective solutions without compromising quality. Researching and purchasing. Before making a purchase, it's essential to research reputable brands known for producing reliable wheel hub assemblies. Checking customer reviews and ratings can provide valuable insights into the performance and durability of the product. Look for certifications or endorsements from industry organizations to ensure the quality meets standards. Additionally, consider the warranty offered by the manufacturer. A solid warranty can safeguard your investment and protect against any defects or malfunctions. By weighing factors such as reviews, certifications, and warranties, you can confidently select a high-quality wheel hub assembly that suits your vehicle and driving conditions. Post-replacement maintenance. After replacing your wheel hub assembly, proper maintenance is crucial to ensure the longevity and optimal performance of your vehicle. Regular inspections and care can help you avoid future issues and extend the lifespan of your new wheel hub assembly. Let's delve into the essential post-replacement maintenance tasks to keep your vehicle running smoothly. Wheel alignment and torque specifications. Wheel alignment plays a vital role in the overall performance and safety of your vehicle after a wheel hub assembly replacement. Proper alignment ensures that your tires wear evenly, improves handling, and enhances fuel efficiency. It's recommended to schedule a wheel alignment check after replacing your wheel hub assembly to prevent premature wear on your tires and maintain optimal driving conditions. Additionally, paying attention to torque specifications for your wheel nuts is crucial. Ensure that the wheel nuts are tightened to the manufacturer's recommended torque to prevent the risk of over-tightening or under-tightening, which can lead to wheel vibrations, uneven tire wear, and potential safety hazards. Regularly inspect the tightness of the wheel nuts to maintain proper torque and ensure the stability of the wheel hub assembly. Monitoring performance. Monitoring the performance of your new wheel hub assembly is essential to detect any issues early and address them promptly. Listen for any unusual noises while driving, such as grinding or humming sounds, which could indicate potential problems with the wheel hub assembly. Vibrations felt through the steering wheel or vehicle chassis may also signify issues that require attention. Regularly check for visible signs of wear or damage on the wheel hub assembly components, such as leaking grease or loose parts. Address any concerns promptly to prevent further damage and maintain the performance of your vehicle. By staying vigilant and addressing issues as they arise, you can ensure the longevity and reliability of your new wheel hub assembly. By following these maintenance tips and staying proactive in caring for your wheel hub assembly, you can enjoy a smooth and safe driving experience while prolonging the lifespan of your vehicle's essential components. In wrapping up our discussion on wheel hub assembly replacement, it's clear that prioritizing the maintenance of this crucial component is essential for safe and efficient driving. By ensuring timely inspections and replacements, drivers can prevent potential issues such as wheel wobbling, vibration, and even total failure on the road. Remember, a small investment in replacing wheel hub assemblies can go a long way in ensuring a smooth driving experience and avoiding costly repairs down the line. Stay proactive, stay safe, and keep on rolling smoothly. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.